Okay, quick video today on the Dozen a Day Explained series. I'm going to talk about exercise 5, group 1, the pink book. So pink book, group 1, exercise 5 is called rolling. And it goes like this. It goes... Now I think the point of that exercise is, you see, you have two hands working together to produce one line, to produce one melody. So you got to be as even as possible. You have to be as even as possible. The two hands, all the notes in the two hands have to sound pretty much of the same intensity, because you do not want to detect that it's two hands. See, you want to sound like one hand. You want to sound as if it was one hand, but it's now two. So, evenness of dynamic and tone, and a little bit of attention to the thumb. Now, if it's a very small hand, you might manage to fit the two thumbs on the one key, on that key, but I don't think that's the point. I think the point is to make room for each thumb as you go along. And you see, you could go from above like that, one makes room and one goes from above, or you could just move sideways a little bit to make room for each thumb when it's their turn to come in. So nice and slowly I would go. So in that case, I think I moved pretty much sideways. Now let me try going more like a circle from above, like that. And I think I felt a little bit better going sideways, moving sideways. Whichever suits you best. But certainly one thing to be careful of is to keep both hands here. Sometimes I see people taking the left hand away and then they rush to come in with the left hand. So keep the left hand close. See? Keep the left hand ready. Keep both hands in this area. Don't go away before the exercise is finished. Just that for today, I'd say.